think I made a mistake asking you to come back to my place. I should've never had that fifth drink. Now all I can smell is that nasty stink. Can I please forget the regret of this morning? Drown out the sounds of last night's moaning. Shade the drum and the lights on your face. Please, oh please tell me if I'm hallucinating, dreaming, weeping, plan B needing. I need to be smarter with who I'm sleeping with or without a few drinks in me. And now that she's awake, I just wanna flee. And I think the right thing to do is make her some coffee, grabbing her a lift just to say I'm sorry. Cause after this morning there'll be zero contact unless I pass it to Danny so he can tap that.
Why can't you understand? It was just a one night stand.
Girl, what you think this was gonna be? What, a forever you and me? No, retrace the steps of your memory. Yeah, after drinks you're a sight to see. You might be watching too much sex in the city. Cause last night, it was all about the kitty. A wild animal that's already been tamed, but not a picture perfect that deserves to be framed. I'm like KD, I'm one and done. It's not what you think, we haven't begun. You reminded me never to take the easy way out. Stay away from the sleazy. Girl, now I learned my lesson, it was just a mistake. Now leave me alone, girl, just give me a break.
Why can't you understand? It was just a one night stand. Why can't you understand? It was just a one night stand.
Yeah, bitch, it's a one night stand. One night stand. Yeah, bitch, it's a one night stand. One night stand.
Yeah, baby, it's a one night stand.